friends, it's Deanna here today, and today we're going to be sewing up the Moon Drawstring Bag. It is so cute. I love it. Let's sew it together. All right, so I've got all my pieces, and you need to make sure that they're all labeled. And on the main side of the main fabric, on the wrong side of the main fabric, we're going to add some interfacing here where the hook and loop of Velcro is going to be attached and where the handle is going to be attached. I'm adding it to the wrong side of the fabric. This is where the hook and loop is going to be attached to our handle, and I mean not our handle, our little closing thing. And so I've got them all marked, and I am attaching that interfacing. All right, I'm gonna put these aside. Make sure that you mark all your little corners, which I did. I did like a little notch on all of them. So that way I know where each corner is on your liner and outer. Then we're gonna grab our casings. Make sure you mark the center on here, the markings on it. We're gonna fold a 1/4 inch here at the ends, all 4 ends, and we're going to do a hem right here, real small hem. All right, so make sure that you mark all your corners, and I have, and also the half of your casing. Then we're gonna go ahead and fold our casing wrong sides together. And then where I had that mark here, we're gonna place that right at the top. And then you're gonna do the other one at the bottom. And then we're gonna go all the way around the main fabric. Do the same with the other one. Okay, so once it's all pinned all the way around, you should have a 1/2 inch area here on each side. And then we're gonna go ahead and baste it with a really small 1/4 inch, less than a 1/4 inch allowance. So we're basting it right on there. I'm gonna put this aside. All right, we're gonna grab the handle and we're gonna fold in a 1/4 inch and top stitch the ends, just like we did the casing. I've got my handle top stitched, and now we're gonna fold it first down the center, long ways, and steam it, and then we're gonna bring it to the center, bring the 2 sides over to the center and steam it. I'm just kind of finger pressing because of the fact that this is really, this fabric is really easygoing. And then we're gonna fold it in half again. So this is gonna be your handle here. I'm gonna go ahead and steam before I sew, but then we're just gonna top stitch on both sides. So we're gonna top stitch along those 2 edges here. And that will be your handle. Then I'm gonna grab my flaps and I'm gonna place them right sides together, the main and the liner. And I'm gonna sew all the way around, leaving a little gap here where I'm gonna turn it, 2 inch gap. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and trim my seam allowances with my pinking shears. I'm going to go ahead and flip these right side out through that gap I left. And using these turning tool, we're just gonna poke out those corners and everything so it's nice and flush. I'm gonna go steam it and top stitch all the way around, making sure I close this little gap right here. I'm gonna go top stitch all the way around. While I'm there, I'm also going to go ahead and grab the hook and loop here and pin it to the lining side of the flap of the pattern. Make sure that you have the pattern placement. So I'm gonna do the top stitching, and then I'm gonna top stitch this one on at the same time. While I'm there, I'm also going to go ahead and grab my other side of the hook and loop, and I'm going to attach that to the main pouch panel at the marking. So I have my marking, it's right here. And I'm going to attach it right there. Then I'm gonna grab my handle, and I'm also going to be sewing that at the markings that I have here on my panel. So I'm sewing, attaching the hook and loop, other side to the right side, the handle to the right side. Then I'm top stitching all the way around and attaching the other side of the hook loop, because this is gonna get attached here, and that's what's gonna kind of close it going around the other way it's gonna get attached here at the bottom once I do all that, and then that's what's gonna close it there at the end after we do the lining and everything. All right, now I'm gonna grab my flap and place it at that marking here, and we're going to attach it. The wrong side of the flap is touching the right side of the main fabric. I'm gonna attach by sewing up 2 lines of straight stitches. Now we're gonna push our flap and our casing towards the right side of the fabric. We're gonna grab our lining and we're gonna place it right on top and match our notches. And we're going to sew all the way around. I'm gonna sew all the way around, leaving a gap, about a 5-inch gap, where I can turn this around. All right, let's go sew. Remember to leave a gap. All right, so now we're gonna go to the spot where we left the opening, and we're gonna turn it all right side out. My opening was a little bit small because I kind of wasn't paying attention. So just be careful as you're turning it so you don't rip it. When I sewed it, I did do a back stitch at the beginning and end to make sure that it wasn't going to come apart as I'm trying to turn it. Okay, make sure everything's nice and pulled out and it looks good. And then where you left that gap, you want to go ahead and tuck your, you can't really see it, but you want to tuck your allowance of your lining down and press it. Now, what you can do is if you want to top stitch it, if you want to just go ahead and put a basting stitch there first, you can. But we're going to go all the way around and top stitch all the way around. And you can, if you don't put a stitch there, you can make sure that you catch it as you're going around. But we're going to top stitch all the way around the whole area. Okay, now we're going to grab our cording and make sure that you have you burned the edges or something like that so it's not going to fray. And we're going to grab one cord and we're going to go all the way around through the casing and come right back out this same side. Okay, so you've got both of them on this side, and we're gonna put one set of these are gonna go in my stoppers. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and grab the other cord, and we're going to do the same thing, but we're gonna go in through the other side. So we've got these two on one side, and then we're gonna do the other two on the other side. Go all the way, not the other two, the other cord on the other side, go all the way around and come right back out here, and we'll do the same one that we did on this side. So then I'm adding the other two on the other side. And our little pouch is completed, so I'm gonna add some sewing supplies to it, or whatever you wanna add to it. I'll put a couple of clips in there. And then we can pull these straps. To close. And I can attach my Velcro and we are done. How cute is this? All right, what do y'all think? Tell me what you think about this little pouch. I love it so much. Go grab your pattern, come back and sew it up with me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.